Hey guys, are you 50, 60, 70 and want to know if you can still build muscle? All right. If so, what is the most optimal way to build muscle? All right. Stick around, watch this video, and I will answer the question for you. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to build muscle after 50. All right, so why would you wanna build muscle after 50, all right? You've heard it can't be done. It's a popular answer is no, you can't once you get 50. I've heard you can't after you get 40, all right? But keep in mind that is all wrong, it is false. You can still build muscle after 50. You just have to do things differently, all right? But first, let's answer the question, why do you want to build muscle after 50? All right, several benefits for building muscle. One is just more stamina, all right? You're gonna have more stamina when you have more muscle. Also, a faster metabolism. When you have more muscle, you're gonna burn more fat at rest. So that's huge, all right? Especially when you get older, you tend to accumulate a lot more fat in your gut, lower back, wherever you accumulate the fat, it's better to have more muscle so you can offset that and burn more fat throughout the day. Also, stronger bones, man. You get older, you wanna make sure you're maintaining good bone health. And even posture. You wanna make sure you're not constantly slumped over, because I get it, this day and age, we're constantly on our phones, computers, desks, laptops. Whatever you're doing, you're hunched over, you're getting that bad posture. So working out, building muscle is gonna help build that posture, all right? And one of the more important benefits to building muscle and why you should wanna build muscle is hormone benefits, all right? You want to increase your testosterone levels, increase your growth hormone levels, and while doing that, decrease estrogen, all right? Decrease those bad hormones, increase the good hormones. So that's gonna come along with building more muscle. So those are some of the bigger benefits for why you should want to build muscle even if you're 50, all right? So don't give up on yourself. A lot of people do, they hit their late 30s, 40s. Once they get in the 50s, it's all downhill. That's their thinking, that's your mindset. So hopefully that's not you, but if it is, I'm glad you found this video, man, because I'm gonna totally reverse that mindset. Because yes, you can still build muscle. It's gonna start with food. That is the key. Get rid of all the crap processed food, clean up your diet. That's gonna go a long ways towards helping you, first of all, maintain the muscle that you have and then add muscle to what you've already got. So you wanna make sure you're eating good foods, good whole foods, all right? Not processed foods, not fast food. Make sure you're getting good whole nutrient-dense foods. Increase your protein intake. That's another key. Eat more protein, all right? Good lean protein, chicken, grass-fed beef, whole eggs. Yes, whole eggs, all right? Egg whites are great, full of protein, but the fat in the eggs are gonna help optimize hormones. They're gonna help boost hormone levels. So you wanna make sure you're getting some of that good saturated fat as well from the whole eggs, all right? Fish is another good protein. Salmon, good protein and essential fats. So make sure you're focusing on increasing your protein intake and getting good lean quality protein. Also, carbs. You do need carbs, all right? Don't neglect the carbs. That's one of the biggest mistakes people make. They start eliminating carbs completely, all right? When you get older, you don't need as many carbs. Keep that in mind. I like to utilize a carb-cycling approach. If you're gonna work out, which is another recommendation for building muscle, you wanna make sure you're doing resistance training, all right? Utilizing compound lifts, squats, any type of squat variation, back squats, front squats, safety squats, goblet squats. There's a lot of variations you can do depending on your mobility. It's like when you get older, if you've been sitting around a lot, you're gonna have naturally tighter hips, tighter shoulders. So you're gonna have to work through some of those mobility issues, which will gradually increase. You'll get better and better the more you're doing this stuff, all right? But you wanna make sure you're doing a form of squats, bench press, back row, upper back work, lower back work. You're gonna be doing a lot of compound lifts that are also gonna help increase hormone levels. So a lot of benefits with compound lifts. You're gonna boost your metabolism, you're gonna boost hormone levels. So those are what you want to focus on, not the isolation exercises. Those can come later, all right? Just good complex compound lifts, all right? Deadlifts, if you're able to do those, depending on your back strength, all right? You can do them with barbells, you can do them with dumbbells, trap bars. I've got videos showing you how to do all of this. I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of talking in this video. My goal with this video is to hopefully motivate you, educate you on what you can do to get implemented, to get started on building muscle. Then go look at some of these other videos I have over here that are gonna show you also how to implement some of these workouts. All right, some of these exercises, how to do them correctly. All right, but again, I went into the resistance training, but what I want you to know is you do need carbs, all right? The days you're gonna be utilizing resistance training, you wanna make sure you're getting good carbs. Carbs, rice, potatoes, any type of rice, you know, brown rice, I prefer jasmine rice. Potatoes, white potatoes, brown potatoes, red potatoes, yellow potatoes. They're all good quality potatoes and they're gonna have good micronutrients as well, vitamins and minerals. All right, so quinoa, veggies, even some fruits. You wanna make sure you have some fruits as well, obviously in moderation, but you wanna get some good quality carbs to help fuel your workouts, help with your recovery, all right? And just give you that energy, that sustainability to do this day in, day out. So that's gonna make a big difference. All right, so you need your carbs and then also good essential fats. Good essential fats, we've already touched on grass-fed beef. It's got really good fats in the grass-fed beef, saturated fats that are gonna help increase those hormone levels as well. The egg yolks, the salmon, all of those are good fats. You can have some good nuts. Almonds are good. I like macadamia nuts. There's a lot of walnuts, Brazilian nuts that have really good benefits as well. And you wanna make sure you're getting good oils, coconut oil, olive oil. Those are all essential fats. They're gonna be really good fats for you to add to your daily diet. So you wanna get all three macronutrients: proteins, carbs, and fats. Those are your macronutrients. By eating those, you're gonna get your micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals as well. So you wanna make sure you're getting all of those, especially now that we're older. You don't wanna eliminate anything, all right? We wanna maximize everything that we can. We wanna maximize our hormones, maximize our metabolism, maximize our recovery. So for that, not only are you gonna be eating for recovery, but sleeping, good quality sleep, that's gonna be huge as well. You wanna make sure 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep, that deep REM sleep, which is when your body's gonna produce more growth hormone and your body's gonna repair and recover from the daily workouts that you've been doing, all right? So to get good sleep, cut out the electronics at least an hour before bed. All right, keep a cold room, a dark room, quiet room, or if you prefer some type of noise. Me personally, I need a fan, all right? I went on vacation the other day, didn't have a fan, so I got a little fan sounding app, or actually I found it on YouTube. It ran for 10 hours, turned that little dude on, put it by my bed, man, and I was out. So do what you need. Get some blackout curtains if you need to. Whatever you have to do to get comfortable enough to get into that deep sleep. But great things happen when you're getting the 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. So keep that in mind as well. So we've got the food, the resistance training, and the sleep. Here's the thing, let's go back to the resistance training. You wanna make sure you're doing the right type, all right? I've touched on the compound lifts, and you wanna shoot for the 8 to 12 rep range. So when you hear me say squats and deadlifts and bench press, overhead press, back rows, that doesn't mean go all out and go 4 to 6 heavy reps. You don't wanna hurt yourself, and you also want to create enough volume and intensity to elicit a hormone response. So you wanna work out with a little bit more volume, all right? A little higher rep range is gonna give you more benefits, especially now that you're older. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you're doing things safely. So I've actually got Tricon training that I came up with that is specific for older guys. So if you haven't checked out any of my Tricon exercises yet, I've got videos on my Tricon training. I also have a program, Ripped After 40 for Men, that's got Tricon training throughout. It's got carb cycling. It's got the proper cardio you should be utilizing. Cardio that's actually going to help elicit more hormones as well. So cardio that's the biggest bang for your buck. It's going to help boost your metabolism and increase testosterone levels. So hey, what more can you ask for? Burn fat, build muscle at the same time. So make sure you check the link in the description box to check out my Ripped After 40 program. There's also a link there that will give you a free Ripped After 40 workout. So click that as well. That way you can go ahead and download your free workout and get started and get an idea of what type of workouts and how they need to be structured that you can utilize to get back to building muscle. Because just because you're 50 doesn't mean you can't build muscle. Just because you're 50 doesn't mean everything's downhill, all right? You may have peaked in your 30s and flatlined or gone down up until now, but I'm hoping with this video, you'll get back going towards another peak, because it is not too late for you, man. I'm in my mid 40s. I've got guys I've trained in my 60s or in their 60s and 70s that are doing great, all right? They're getting great blood work. So again, it's not just the vanity. You want to make sure you're doing this stuff for all the other health benefits as well, all right? You're going to get good, healthy benefits. You're going to become more of a fit person. Again, more stamina, which is huge when you get older. So there's so many tremendous benefits to building muscle. It's not just about looking better, although that's a tremendous benefit as well. That's just an added bonus, all right? Looking better, feeling better, being more healthy, being more fit is what it's all about, because you want to make sure you get to live a long, healthy, happy life, all right? Something that you can do for the longevity, not just, hey, let me look good this year, let me look good for this photo shoot, let me look good for this vacation, let me look good for whatever reason. You want to make sure that you are constantly healthy. All right, so that's my plan for you. I want to help you get healthy. So if you have any questions, anything else that you can ask that you need help with, and comment in the comment section below. And man, we'll address whatever questions we can, try to make this a little easier for you, and make sure that you are getting these implemented, even if you have to do it gradual, all right? One step at a time. Start with the food. Always gonna recommend start with the food. Make sure you're cutting out all the crap, getting rid of the toxins and chemicals and poisons from the processed food and the fast food. You eliminate all that crap, replace it with good whole quality foods. You're gonna start feeling better already, all right? You're gonna start seeing improvements, all right? Then you're gonna start getting into your workouts. You're gonna start feeling more energetic. You're gonna start feeling better and stronger. When your body feels stronger, you start feeling younger. You no longer feel old and achy all the time. So that's another added benefit. There's so many benefits to building muscle. So long-winded answer, yes, you can still build muscle after 50. Follow some of these strategies I'm giving you, man. Implement those, put them into your life, and you're gonna feel a whole lot better. But also there's more videos over here, like I said, that you can check out. More informational videos that are gonna show you how to do some of these exercises I'm suggesting. And there's nutritional strategies. Again, you can just go ahead and get straight into my Ripped After 40 program, where everything's implemented and done for you. It's a blueprint to getting bigger, stronger, and more ripped at the same time. So if you got any other questions, again, leave a comment. Other than that, man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.